Good afternoon. So here is a tour of the vintage Coach Winnie top handle bag. I've got it here in its dust bag. I'm gonna take it out. So I have a black one here with brass hardware. Here's a close-up look of it. Here's the turn lock closure and the top handle right here. It's got a dowel up here. And here's the bottom. It's got a split seam down the middle. You can see this one's in really nice vintage condition. And I'll show you a close-up here of the hang tag. It's got a double-sided hang tag. Oops, looks like that one's upside down. You can get a better view here. Okay. And then it connects here, the straps connect here, they're detachable, so I'll show you the strap next. So here's the strap. It's got, I believe these are called dog leash clip attachments or something. So these are also made of brass, and it's adjustable, so you've got the strap here and buckle. And I believe that this strap was actually a replacement from another vintage Coach bag. So this might not actually be the original that came with the Winnie bag, but it's very, very close. So you just hook it on here like this. I'll show you. And then it becomes a crossbody bag, but you can also carry it by the top handle if that's more convenient. Sometimes I do that quite often when I'm taking it off and putting it back on or getting something out of it. It's really nice to have the top handle. Now I'll show you the inside. So this is my personal everyday bag, so I'll show you what I have inside of it right now. So I have this small little wallet that I use. It fits perfectly in this specific bag since it's a smaller size. I carry my keys in here as well, and then you can also carry a lipstick or a chapstick or whatever you'd like. And then here's the inside. It's got a slip pocket back here. You could use that to store something as well. And it's got this nice suede-like texture on the inside lining. And the crate is back here, which is like the Coach stamp. I don't think you can see it very well on camera, but it says it's got like a serial code at the bottom and a style number for this bag. I believe it's 9023, and this specific bag was made in 1997 in the US. So that's all in the crate right here. So that's basically what you can fit in this bag. You could fit a few more items. Like I don't have it stuffed really full, but I can definitely fit the essentials. And then it also has a back slip pocket back here. Could also maybe stick a phone or something in there. So it's pretty convenient for a little small bag. And lastly, I'll go ahead and show you, this is the dust bag. So it's good to store your bags in the dust bag when you're not using them. So that's about it for this bag. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below as comments, and I'll answer any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.